She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair, and then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And then the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got aching head. So I give her the car keys and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the lights, oh my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh my darling, you were wonderful